Welcome to a new perspective on skincare, where what you put inside your body is just as important as what you put on it. Today, we're talking about nourishing your skin from the inside out, the vegan way. Eating a vegan diet doesn't just benefit the environment and animals, it can have incredible benefits for your skin too. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your skin from free radicals. Next, let's talk hydration. Sufficient water intake is crucial not just for overall health, but also for skin health. It helps maintain skin elasticity, combat dryness, and minimize wrinkles. Infused waters with fruits or cucumber are a great vegan option. Moving on to vitamins, vitamin C is essential. It plays a critical role in collagen production, a protein that helps keep your skin firm and wrinkle-free. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are excellent vegan sources of vitamin C. Similarly, vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage. Nuts and seeds are filled with this skin-boosting vitamin. Eating a small handful daily can significantly improve your skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish, are crucial for maintaining skin health. But don't worry, vegans can get it too. Flax seeds and walnuts are excellent plant-based sources of omega-3, which help maintain the skin's barrier and prevent dryness. Another crucial nutrient for skin health is zinc. It helps with skin repair and keeps your skin looking fresh. Legumes, nuts, and whole grains are all excellent vegan sources of zinc. Don't forget about beta-carotene. It converts into vitamin A in our bodies, which is pivotal for skin health. Sweet potatoes, carrots, and leafy greens are all rich in beta-carotene. For a skin glow, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and regular exercise. They aid in skin repair and promote blood circulation, giving your skin a natural, healthy glow. The vegan diet is naturally high in fiber, which aids in digestion and can help clear up your skin. Remember, a happy gut leads to healthy skin. Finally, while a vegan diet is fantastic for skin health, it's always important to remember that everyone's skin is different. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's crucial to listen to your body. In conclusion, a vegan diet can be a powerful tool for skin health when combined with adequate hydration, sleep, and exercise. So, nourish your skin from the inside out and watch it glow. I hope you had as much fun watching this video as I did making it. If you want to join our Veggie Vibe family and stay up to date with all things plant-based, don't forget to subscribe. If you found any nuggets of wisdom or simply enjoyed the content, give us a thumbs up. Take care and happy vibes.